Hi there, my name is Darlan Pucci. Welcome to my channel. My channel is about charcuterie. Today I'm gonna show you how I made this goat salami. I'm gonna show you step by step. On the end of the video, I'm gonna try goat salami. Coming up. Over here I have 800 grams of goat meat, and over here I have 400 grams of pork back fat. I have 200 grams. I'm gonna cut into strips and grind with the meat, and the other 200 grams I'm gonna dice it and mix later on the process. Okay, now I'm gonna grind this meat, 800 grams of goat and 200 grams of pork back fat. And the other 200 grams of pork back fat I dice in, I'm gonna keep in the fridge for now. I'm gonna assemble the meat grinder. Always keep the metal parts in the freezer. After I use, I wash, I dry, put in a bag and keep it there. It needs to be very cold. The meat is also in the freezer, has been there for about 1 hour, so almost frozen. Now I'm gonna mix the dry ingredients, the curing blend, and mix with the meat and add the wine, red wine. Ten milliliters of red wine. Now I'm gonna incorporate the back fat cut in little cubes, dice it into the meat, and then I'm gonna add the starter culture, TSPX. Mix well everything together for 5 minutes. All very well incorporated into the meat. Now I'm gonna put the meat in the stuffer, and I'm gonna use hog casing 42 millimeters. Okay, I got 3 salamis. I'm gonna pierce the casing to remove the air bubbles. Now I'm gonna place the goat salami in the chamber. Now is regulated to be a fermentation chamber. Gonna be here around 3 days. The temperature is 75 Fahrenheit, and humidity gonna be high. Gonna be around 90% of humidity. The fermentation is done, has been here for 3 days. Now I'm gonna change the settings. Gonna be a maturation chamber. The temperature gonna be 56 Fahrenheit, and the humidity gonna be around 75%. Gonna stay here until lose around 35%. I'm gonna wait, and that's gonna probably take around 1 month maturation. Hi there, I'm back. Goat salami. I don't think I have ever tried goat meat in any way prepared in my life. Took 5 weeks and lost 30%. All 3 lost 30%. It's beautiful, smell good. You can see the little fat pieces in there. The drying, the maturation was perfect. No hard casing around. Well seasoning. Remind me a lot like a regular salami with beef and pork. I was expecting something a little stronger, like lamb. It's a little stronger, but it's not that strong. Very good. Good? High five. High five? Thank you for watching. I see you in my next video. Bye bye.